So you see you have tracks in your mixer that's grouped into one track. Here, for example, this is called all instruments. But if you right click this, these are all mute. So how the hell are you going to hear them? Well, I'm going to show you how to do something here where you can have them all soloed in a group. So in order for this to work, of course, you're going to have these tracks routed into the insert. But you can see over here, I have an empty insert and I kind of routed them all individually. This doesn't have to do anything, no sound in there. But if I right click it, you can see that works. Okay, hopefully the idiots are gone. Now, you don't actually have to do something like this. I just did that as a, little bait, jebaited. So if you left, haha. All you have to do, very simple. Hold the Alt button and right click. Alt, right click. Matter of fact, let me bring up the Alt button. Alt, right click. It's always simple with your senpai. So anything that this routing is affiliated towards, you can see, for example, these kicks over here into this kick insert. But also this kick insert is routed over to the drums. The drums go to the reverb, and the reverb goes to the all drums as well. All I have to do, Alt, right click, you can see those are enabled. So depending on what you set up groups, you can see again the hat to the drums to the reverb to the all drums as well. That's it, right click. Now, if you go over here and do the Alt right click on the kicks, obviously you're not going to get anything because, they're all single tracks going into a routing. But for example, the kick has these going into it. Just Alt right click. There you go. Now for the real OGs that did not leave after showing that example, you could do something in the playlist similar. So let's go ahead and group. How about we group the hats, right? I'll group these two hats to the top one. Right click, group. Group it above track. All right, same shit. Alt, right click. What's the Alt button on the Mac? I think it's Option. Let me know in the comments below. But it's simple. Alt, right click. Bam, bada boom, bada bing. All right, if you thought this video was helpful, wait till you see what YouTube offers you to click on. Right here in the middle. Go ahead and click it. Don't be a bitch.